Ito na po yung exciting part. Yung mga COA report po at saka yung COA observation as regard to computerization. Medyo mahalaga sa akin to, Madam Chair and Mr. Secretary, dahil gusto natin talaga mabigyan talaga ng mga laptop, no? Mga computer yung ating mga teachers. Okay? So according to the observation of COA, Madam Chair, report page 229, DepEd CAR 2023, nakalagay po diyan yung observation ng COA regarding doon sa computerization program ng 2023. Medyo mahabang banggitin, kulang na po ako sa time. Can the DepEd please update us on the status of its various computerization programs? So alam ko may mga delays according dito sa COA report. So pwede po bang magbigay yung particularly po yung DCP, no? Nakalagay dito letter A ay a delay, non-delivery, and inefficiency of 3PL services provider, delivery to regions not included in the allocation list, DCP packages were not stored. Nandiyan po yan sa page 229, DepEd CAR 2023. So, pwede po ba tayong ma-update, Mr. Chair, kaugnay dito sa computerization program ng DepEd?
Secretary, please.
Yes, Madam Chair, this was before my time. With your permission, I will ask some of the undersecretaries, our Undersecretary for Legal, Yusek Omar Romero, to discuss that. That's a transpac, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. Yusek Romero, you're
Yes,
recognized.
thank you, Secretary. Thank you, Madam Chair, Mr. Chair. Yes, in response to the question, the observation of the COA is the delayed delivery or the non-delivery of the computers to the regions. And we are happy to update, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, that earlier this year, the Department of Education, as directed by our operations strand, directed our regional offices and our schools district offices to pull out all the goods procured and which remained in the warehouses of the third-party logistics supplier, yung Transpac po. So, if I'm not mistaken, almost more than 90% have been pulled out, with a minority remaining only in the Carmona warehouse of said logistics supplier. So all the items, the computers being a subject of the question, most of them have been pulled out and are now with the regional offices and our district offices rather, for distribution to the schools, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.
Dagdag ko lang, Your Honor, na naabutan ko to nung na-brief ako. Nagulat ako na 4 years old na pala yung mga gamit doon. Since 2020 pa po yung mga kagamitan doon. So, we contacted the Air Force and others to help us remove. But and in addition to what Yusek Romero said, there are over 1.5 million items still in Carmona and other warehouses. Laptops, books, furniture. So we're doing our best to get them out para hindi mag-deteriorate yung mga materyales, Your Honor. Thank you.
So may timeline po ba tayo para makuha na po itong...
The target rate of completion is the end of September, Your Honor. End of September.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.